Hey my pinies, how you guys doing? So I just got back from the gym. From the gym we went to a Shishanyama spot. Shishanyama is their native or like local like delicacy. Let me get the name of the place. So we went to Duncan Shishanyama and we spent 258 rands, right? So we got like pap and chakalaka, and so we spent about 300 rands for everything. I'll show you guys what we got. I wanted to try their local food before leaving SA because it was very important for me to try out this famous pap and chakalaka, right? So the place was very sketchy looking. I can't even lie, I was scared. I felt like I was sticking out like a sort of like, I just knew that I was not supposed to be there. But because of, you know, the spirit of adventure, I was like, let's go. Like, I think we're like maybe like the only like Nigerians there. So I was like, but anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what we picked up. We got 2 of these. So we're gonna have that with the shishanyam. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what we got. It smells really nice. You order it fresh, like you pick the meat you want fresh and then they grill it for you. So we got some steak, lamb, chicken, sausage. So it smells really nice. Okay, so this is all the meat we got, right? Oh, looks so good. Sausage, chicken, wings, steak, lamb. We didn't get any pork though. But if you like pork, they also have pork. And then this is the world famous chakalaka and pap. I hope this doesn't disappoint me because I've been wanting to try pap and chakalaka. So yeah, this is what we got. So my pinies, this is what we got. Everything was about 300 rands minus the beverage or minus the alcohol. So I'm really excited to try this out. I can't wait to dig in because it smells really nice. So I'll give you guys a taste test in a bit. My face. So I haven't sat down and like spoke to the camera in a minute because life has been lifing. This Cape Town life is very cold and like everybody minds their business basically. So I've just been chilling. And for my pinies, let's do a quick recap. About 4 days ago I took my camera to the camera guy all the way. It's a very like, I don't know what that area is called. I'll put this on the screen. I took it there. It's this big like shopping center place and they have like an office. And when I went there, that lady was very strange. That lady was very strange. My boyfriend was like, does this lady like you, or what's going on? Because she kept on looking at me deep in my eyes, and she was like going through my Instagram. I was like, there's something about that lady. Anyway, she was a white lady, and she was giving very much, like, I was like, what's going on? But good news is that they said they can fix my camera for me, I guess what, for free. Yeah, for free. They initially quoted the repair for almost 2,000 rands, but I now told the lady that, listen, it just fell. I'm a YouTuber, and I put the battery in the camera, and then they saw that it just had a dent. So I think they were just probably losing it and then like straighten out the dents. So I don't think they're really doing much. So she offered to fix it for us for free. So hopefully, fingers crossed, they can fix it and it works perfectly. So that's what I did a couple of days ago. I'm just going to go and like watch my anime. That's what I want to do. Today is Sunday and it's really just a chill day. But yeah, my pinies. I'll see you soon. So the next thing on the agenda is to go pick up some groceries because like I'm out of like stew and like soup. So today I decided to make like turkey stew and ofen salad. That's white soup, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it today, both of them today. But I just want to go to like the Nigerian grocery store, like market, and then just go and buy the ingredients. So that's what we're gonna go do now. But yeah, my pinies, I'm just wearing like this dress. I use this dress to like come to Capetown. Just this Skims kind of dress, long and cute. And then I'm wearing this hat that I borrowed from my boyfriend. But yeah, my pinies, today is really somehow moody. There's no sun today, but anyways, we're gonna go do what we gotta do. So yeah, so my pinies, let's go and get on with our day. So pinies, I'm back home from like picking up all the supplies I'll be needing to like make the soup and stew. So as you can see here, yeah, all right pinies, so like there's like a new person in one of the apartments next to us, so he just came to introduce himself. But as I was saying before that, we got some water. Yeah, I don't know why we got this one though, but we never drink this one. But anyways, we got 2 of those, and then I'm just going to keep this. Oh, all right, so we have 2 bags here. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'll just like put the camera down so you guys can see properly because I'm not sure I'll be able to show you everything we got like this. Okay, Piny, so these are the 2 bags we got. I'm trying to clean this up because I'm going to rest a bit, then I'll start cooking because I don't have time. So we got like crayfish, 1 pack of crayfish, uziza leaf because I'm making white soup. Anyways, we got pepper, this yellow pepper. This is the closest thing to like our red pepper in Nigeria. Okay, then I got also some tomatoes because I'm making stew, like I said. So I got this much. I got a pack of no chicken, right? And I got like sachet tin tomato, sachet tomato paste. Which one is sachet tin tomatoes? Sachet tomato paste. Then, of course, some onions. Can't live without onions. I got like a bag of like turkey wings for the stew. Then some like goat's meat for the soup. Right, moving along. Over here we have some plantains. I'm so excited for this because I've not had plantains in a long time. I think the last time I had plantain was when I came, because I'm very specific about my plantain. So I don't just eat any plantain, especially the soft ones. I don't eat ripe plantain, so it's very hard for me to get my kind of plantain here, since like they have to import it all the way. So yeah, I got like this much plantains. I think this was 70 rounds. Yeah. Okay, and then some eggs. Yeah, or like egg sauce and like plantain. And then groundnut oil to like fry the turkey and like plantain. And then some poundo yam because we don't really eat semo or like any other swallow. This is the only swallow we eat. So yeah, we got this big bag. So my pinies, this is all we got from the Nigerian store. I'm going to show you guys when I'm ready to cook. We're gonna cook together, but this is everything we got, and we didn't spend up to 1,000 rand, sorry. So this is gonna be okay for us for like a week plus or 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. Everything, I have everything I need. I have some rice left, so everything is good to go. So yeah, my pinies, I'm going to rest and then I'll come back and we'll start to cook. Going to the gym. Okay, so I'm going to the gym. Hi, girlies. I'm so tired, but yeah, gym it is. About me, I can tell you're talking to sleep. We should make some time together. I feel it for you, feel it for you. I feel it for you, feel it for you. Now I still for you, still for you. Come around to me, come around for me. I don't wanna manage $1 million. I don't wanna manage $1 million. I don't wanna I know the last time you guys saw me, I was at McDonald's having the latest lunch in my life. I'm so tired. So my panties, I had the longest day. Like my chest was burning me because I was so hungry. Shopping is exhausting. Like it's so annoying. Like coupled with the fact that I'm spending money, like I'm stressing myself to spend money. But I'm really tired. I'm back home. It's probably like 9 p.m. over here. And I just want to come and show you guys my receipts. Can you guys see this receipt? Can you see how long this receipt is? It is literally longer than my legs. Just kidding, I'm 5'3". But anyways, my partners, I'm so tired. I just want to take my bath, get in bed and cuddle and snuggle up because today was such a rainy day. That's the reason why I started the day off very slow, because of the rain. It rained all day. Even when we got back, it was still raining. But thankfully the rain didn't beat us or anything like that. So I'm really tired and I just want to come and catch up with you guys because I didn't speak to you guys the whole of today, but I really did a lot of damage because we're going back home very soon. So I needed to pick up like some stuff for my loved ones and my sisters and like my in-laws and stuff like that. So yeah, my pinies, that's all we did today. Hopefully I'll go back to pick up some more stuff for myself this weekend. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So yeah, good night. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, pinies, let's give this a taste test. Okay, so my pinies, let's give this a taste test, okay? It just looks like, I don't know, a refresher. But anyway, let's give this a test to see what it gives. It's giving margarita. Yeah, it tastes like kind of like a margarita. It's nothing special, but it feels a lot less boring than just drinking tequila and juice and ice. I feel like I'm out, even though I'm not out. So yeah. So I like it. I'll probably give it like a 6/10. But my boyfriend got me some sushi because he left me at home. He went out and he left me at home and he thought he could bribe me with sushi. So I quickly just put this in the microwave now. I'll show you guys. I have for 10 rolls. I'll show you guys now, okay? So tonight we're having a sushi night. Ooh, so delicious looking. Like these two rolls are my faves. I think this is a California roll with crab legs, or like crab meat. But this has salmon. I don't like raw sushi. So we're just gonna have sushi and enjoy our cocktail and watch some Netflix because I'm home alone till only God knows when. So yeah, my pinies, let's go watch some Netflix.